Rockets Teacher Launch Seminar. We're delighted to offer this seminar as an extension of the Rockets program. Our program for this year's seminar was developed by two highly accomplished educators, Linda Burrows and Nancy Evans Bennett. Ms. Burrows is an assistant professor of elementary and early childhood education at the College of New Jersey, who specializes in teaching science methods for pre-K through 5th grade students. Ms. Bennett, a retired science teacher, is now an adjunct professor and teacher supervisor at the College of St. Elizabeth. Ms. Bennett is currently the co-chair of the New Jersey Science Convention. Also helping out today is Mr. Jim Messersmith, who's back there. He's a retired teacher and science specialist for Princeton Schools and is currently an adjunct professor at Rider University.
Engage them, get them into this equilibrium, and we let you explore. And you're going to go writing something like this pretty soon because you notice there's some blank pages in your booklet. The explore part was make a bubble. Make a bubble 100 different ways. And you know, every table and every person in here was doing it a little bit differently, which is really interesting to see. Some of you preferred the air, some of you preferred the tray, some of you weren't quite sure what to do with it, and so you were learning from each other. I like this kind of thing. Explain is the third part of the 5 E's, and it isn't, now this is what makes a bubble, this is what's inside a bubble. No, no, no. This is children share what they found out. This is extremely important, particularly when you're learning from each other. So you don't sit there telling them what the bubble is all about. They are telling it to you. Then they use that information for the next step, which is elaborate. So if they truly understand what bubbleness is, okay, fifth step is evaluate. How do I evaluate something like this, particularly at our early childhood level? I've got some of these dishes for you. So anything you don't need, just put them on side and we'll get our table straight out. You made a pretty good forest there. That depends, but see what you can do. But anyhow, it's a pretty cool thing to try.
150 workshops, writing to the last 2 or 3 years, what are called New Generations, hoping that every state in the country go to our website
more workshops, and hopefully, you can't teach one of several that work, but this is good if you're a little shy about science, and for sure, if you got it down,